Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. For our team member spotlight this month, we are honoring and recognizing David Williams from our team. David, great to have you here today.
Thanks, Lee. Good to be here.
Now, for those of you watching and for those not familiar with TCW, David, what are your responsibilities and what do you do here at the Computer Workshop?
So currently I oversee our training staff and help out with our networking systems operations. So a lot of our day-to-day using Outlook, our CRM application, our SharePoint sites, but then also working closely with our training staff, our contract trainers for curriculum selection, classroom management, making sure all the equipment in the classrooms are working. All of our tools for delivering virtual classes are up and running. Also assisting and producing on some of our virtual classes. So a lot of times you'll see me sneaking into the classrooms and helping folks with labs or lab connectivity. So a lot of behind the scenes work, which is good because I got one of those faces for radio. And yeah, that's it.
Great. And for being within the organization, would be an understatement to say how much David does for TCW, so it's always great to have him helping out, any way he can.
I try my best.
So David, how long have you been with the Computer Workshop?
We did the math recently, so since 1995, I've been a full-time employee with the company. Started out way back in the day when we were moving computers physically from classroom to classroom to do classroom setup. So I worked the third shift, the night owl shift, and we come in and actually reinstall software and take the actual disks, right? We used to have physical disks that we would install software with and take those from machine to machine and make sure that they were all installed with the appropriate software from one night to the next. From there, transferred and started doing some selling and working with customers direct and preparing and planning training programs for them. And after a few years of doing account management, actually got into the classroom and had a real passion for teaching. Absolutely loved it. Still do teach from time to time, do consulting work, but there I learned a lot and grew with database applications, all the office suites, was able to obtain some certifications and got a true just feel for what we do and what we provide to our customers. And seeing the light bulbs going off for the students and just the thankfulness that they had was awesome. So that's kind of where and why I still kind of lean towards within the organization, working with and helping out in the training department is just been a great joy.
So with how long you've been with the Computer Workshop, that's probably what makes you a proud team member, is being able to help the people that do come to the classroom, help the people within our organization.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. So and like you say, not only helping and training external, our customers, but I also do internal training for our staff. So, just always helping and watching people take what you've shown them and applying that and helping them to be more productive in their work is certainly a good feeling to have at the end of the day.
And for those trying to do the math still, if he started in 1995, I wasn't around yet, so that'll be a separate problem that you can work out off to the side. So David, what are some things that you do in your free time, or maybe even in a hidden talent that you have?
Yeah, there's not a lot of free time. So I have wife and two boys that are very active in their sports and athletics, and so that's we're always traveling to a football field, a rugby pitch, a gymnasium somewhere, weightlifting. I mean, you name it, we're involved with it. So when I can find a little time off to the side, I do enjoy the game of billiards. Play on a pool league one night a week, and then have a pool table in the basement that I putz around on in between. And then when the weather's right, very avid barbecuer.
Nice.
So we have like to get into smoking and different things, which one of the fun. If you've never tried this, right? So I got one for you. If you got a smoker, take portobello mushrooms, right? The portobello caps. Soak those things in Italian dressing overnight. Put those on the smoker at probably like 225, 240. Let those smoke for a good 3 or 4 hours. Delicious. So anybody that's looking for a new thing to toss on, it doesn't always have to be a meat product. You can do many other things on smokers and the grill as well.
Yeah. So I recently got a smoker this past year for Christmas, and I'm very anxious once the weather finally breaks to try out some of the recipes David has.
Oh, we're going to be busy this summer, Lee.
It's going to be exciting trading stories. So David, we'll go ahead and close it out. Do you have a message for our audience?
I think just, the message I would give is, one, thank you to all of our customers that have been coming to us over the years that are loyal, and I know why you're coming back here. Our training staff is phenomenal. They really go over and above to help us out, and we get probably as much out of delivering the classes as you're getting out of receiving them. So keep coming back. There's always new technology. There's always new things you're going to learn and utilize, no matter what class you check out with us. We also have a ton of free content that we put out on our website and our YouTube channel. So be sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Lots of free, I think every Friday.
Yep.
We have a new video come out. So take advantage of that stuff. It's out there. It's our way of kind of giving back and helping to educate our customers and friends.
All right, awesome. Well, David, thank you for being here today. Again, our team really appreciates everything you do with our clients, with our students that come into the classroom, with our training team, and internally everyone else in our organization. We really appreciate everything you do, even the work behind the scenes. So thank you for joining us here today.
Thanks, Lee. Appreciate you having me.
Absolutely. And as David mentioned, we have plenty of great resources on our YouTube channel. So be sure to like this video and show your support for David here for being this month's team member. And be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. We have those videos posted every Friday. So learn in between class, learn after class, a bunch of great resources there. Be sure to check out our website, www.tcworkshop.com, and join one of our upcoming classes. And we look forward to seeing everyone in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.